guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 2 of the Dress to Impress Valentine's Day quest. So you'll need to find these treasure chests. You'll need to find 4. There's one in the maze, one in the red dark room, and one in the stairs. The other one I don't know where it is because my friend found it. But 2 of them, you'll basically need to find where the butterfly is. It's pretty self-explanatory, as you can see over here. You'll just need to focus on the butterfly, and they'll shuffle the card, and you'll try to find where the butterfly is. And the second one is kind of like a memory game. So I just honestly took a screenshot because honestly, it's easier that way, so just take a screenshot or take a photo of the cards and then match them together. Once you're done with all of the treasure chests, you'll need to play the Simon Says game. As you can see, it goes from yellow, blue, red to green, and you'll have to press the statues in that color order. You'll have to do this 3 times until all of the locks are well unlocked. And then after this, prepare yourself for an obby. Don't worry, you don't have lives, so you can just go through it even though you fall down. So I'll show you in a minute kind of what the obby looks like. So I don't really have that much tips. You just need to activate the steps here for a lot. Sometimes you have to kind of go back. Here I fell down, but that's okay. I can go back up again. So basically you're just going to keep jumping and activating all of the buttons. And this one, you have to go sideways to kind of jump. I guess here you have to activate that, and then sometimes again you have to go back. So remember that you don't need to always go forward. Sometimes you need to go back. And then once you're done with the obby, the completion is on the right on the top castle. See here, I have to go back in a minute. Here I was so confused, where do I go? But I actually pressed the stairs going to the left. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!